How can you reduce Envoy CPU and memory usage in Istio? Imagine running a busy city with traffic flowing smoothly. Now picture your service mesh as that city, with Envoy proxies acting like traffic cops. If they get overwhelmed, everything slows down. So, how do you keep Env running efficiently without hogging resources? Let's explore some practical ways to do just that. First, think about what Env is doing. It handles all the traffic in your mesh, but it also collects logs and traces. These features are useful but can eat up CPU and memory if left unchecked. Disabling or lowering the sampling rate for tracing tools like Zipkin can cut down Envoy's processing load. For example, reducing the sampling rate from 100% to 10% means Envoy processes fewer traces, saving resources. Next, simplify your Envoy configuration. Use the Sidecar resource to limit what Envoy manages. Instead of applying broad configurations across all pods, target only specific namespaces or services. This reduces the amount of data Envoy needs to handle, which in turn lowers memory use. Also, isolating namespaces helps because Envoy only processes traffic within its assigned space, avoiding unnecessary overhead. Another tip is to optimize data plane performance with observability tools. Tools like Apache SkyWalking can identify bottlenecks and help you tune Envoy's throughput. By understanding where the most resource-consuming traffic occurs, you can adjust configurations or scale specific parts of your mesh. Scaling the control plane is also key. If your control plane becomes a bottleneck, Envoy proxies will struggle to keep up. Increasing CPU and memory for the control plane or adding more instances distributes the workload better. This prevents Env from becoming overwhelmed and reduces resource consumption per proxy. Lastly, consider using an ambient mesh if your environment supports it. Ambient mesh reduces the number of proxies needed by sharing data plane components more efficiently. This approach cuts down on the overall resource footprint, including CPU and memory. All these strategies are especially helpful in cloud environments like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. They help you control costs by making sure you're not over-provisioning resources. Plus, integrating these practices with DevOps automation tools makes managing your service mesh smoother and more efficient. So, by tweaking configurations, reducing unnecessary features, scaling wisely, and considering ambient mesh options, you can keep Envoy lightweight and your service mesh running at its best.